Hello and welcome to Cargo Shots from the Stat Trade Times, powered by Group Concorde.
This is Nehal Gautam and you're watching Cargo Shots, where we bring you the top headlines of the week. ATSG expands Amazon air fleet with 10 additional Boeing 767-300 freighter, boosts earnings outlook despite Q1 2024 decline. Air Transport Services Group, or ATSG, strengthens its partnership with Amazon. They'll operate 10 new Boeing 767 freighters for Amazon Air by year end, with potential for 10 more. The collaboration extends to May 2029 with a possible 5-year extension. Additionally, ATSG bolsters financial ties with Amazon by extending the exercise period for 21.8 million vested warrants and 2.9 million unvested warrants, plus issuing new warrants for up to 2.9 million additional shares. Despite a Q1 net earnings decline of 57% to $8.6 million, ATSG has raised its 2024 outlook with the Amazon deal. Expected 2024 adjusted EBITDA is likely to be $516 million, a $10 million increase from their February projection. DHL first quarter operating profit down at 1.3 billion euros confirms 2024 outlook. DHL Group's Q1 2024 revenue dipped slightly to 20.3 billion euros compared to Q1 2023 as there was no significant global economic improvement. Operating profit of 1.3 billion euros fell from last year but surpassed pre-pandemic levels of 1.2 billion euros in 2019. Express delivery continued to face weak demand, with revenue down 4% to 6 billion euros and EBIT dropping 30% to 632 million euros. Global forwarding revenue dipped due to lower freight rates, with air freight revenue down 16% to 1.4 billion euros, despite a 5% volume increase to 435,000 tons, mostly on Asia-Europe routes. The supply chain division recorded revenue growth across all regions and sectors. Revenue rose 5% to 4.3 billion euros and EBIT increased 13% to 256 million euros. The e-commerce division maintained its momentum with an 8% increase in revenue to 1.6 billion euros. DHL reaffirmed its 2024 forecast with an expectation of 6 to 6.6 billion euros EBIT and 3 billion euros free cash flow, excluding acquisitions and divestments. In its medium-term forecast for 2026, DHL continues to expect operating profit of between 7.5 billion euros and 8.5 billion euros. Amazon starts operations in South Africa. Amazon launches Amazon.co.za in South Africa, offering customers access to a diverse range of local and international brands across 20 product categories. Customers can enjoy competitive prices, same-day and next-day delivery, with free delivery on first orders and subsequent orders over $27. WhatsApp updates enable order tracking, while hassle-free returns within 30 days are facilitated via home pick or self-drop. Customer support via phone, email, and live chat ensures a seamless shopping experience. The store features renowned international brands like Apple, Sony, HP, Lego, as well as popular local brands from independent South African sellers. Network Airline Management expands fleet with 2 Boeing 747-400 freighters. Network Airline Management strengthens its partnership with Air Atlanta Icelandic by adding 2 new B747-400 freighters to its fleet by late Q3 and early Q4 2024 respectively. This expands their fleet to exclusively operate 4 Boeing 747 freighter nose-door aircraft, with the retirement of the last remaining B747-400 BDSF converted freighter later this year. Meanwhile, Network Airline Services has been appointed as a GSSA for Fly Dubai in Kenya since January 1, 2024. This adds to Network Airline Services' existing role as GSSA for Fly Dubai in Tanzania, Uganda, and the Netherlands. With this new route, Fly Dubai becomes the first UAE carrier with direct flights to Mombasa in Kenya, expanding its African networks to 11 destinations in 10 countries. CMA CGM's training center Tangram to focus on sustainable logistics. CMA CGM Group announced the launch of Tangram, its global training and innovation center, inaugurated by French President Emmanuel Macron. Spanning 8,500 square meters in Marseille's 8th arrondissement, Tangram blends historic 19th century architecture with contemporary designs by architect Jean-Michel Wilmot. The center features training rooms, navigation simulators, an innovation hub, and event space, fostering collaboration and innovation. Tangram will showcase French excellence with the ambition to invent sustainable transport and logistics for the future. It offers 3 training programs developed with prestigious universities, focusing on strategic themes. With a global presence in 160 countries, CMA CGM Group employs 180,000 people worldwide, including approximately 6,000 at its Marseille headquarters. Magenta teams up with Switch Mobility to acquire 500 Switch IEV4. Magenta Mobility, an electric mobility solutions provider, partnered with Switch Mobility, Hinduja Group's electric vehicle arm, to procure 500 Switch IEV4 electric vehicles for over 2 years. This collaboration aims to improve Magenta's last mile and mid-mile delivery operations across India. The partnership leverages Switch's expertise in commercial EVs and integrates it with Magenta's logistics, charging infrastructure, and technology solutions. That wraps up this week's air cargo and logistics news roundup. Stay informed by subscribing to our YouTube channel for regular updates and visit www.stattimes.com for daily news coverage. We'll continue bringing you insightful analysis and highlights from the dynamic world of air cargo and logistics. Join us next week as we delve into more breaking stories shaping the industry.